Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Restic backups on a Linux VPS step by step clearly. To verify Restic backups on a Linux VPS, start by establishing a secure connection to your server. Use SSH to log into your VPS using a terminal. Enter the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP and replace username and your _VPS_IP with your actual username. Once you are logged in, navigate to the directory where your Restic repository is located. This can typically be done with the cd command followed by the path to the repository. Before verifying the backups, ensure that you have set up the necessary environment variables for Restic. Export the Restic repository URL using the command export restic_repository =path/ to /your/repo. If your repository is encrypted, you will also need to set the password. Use the command export restic_password =your_password to define the password for access. Now, run the restic check command to verify all data in your repository. Type restic check and press enter. Restic will then connect to the repository and check the integrity of the data. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your backups. Once the verification is complete, Restic will provide a summary of the verification process. Pay attention to any warnings or errors that may appear during the check. If you encounter issues, consider running additional commands to troubleshoot them. Use Restic prune to remove old and used data if necessary. After completing the verification process, remember to clear sensitive information from your terminal. You can do this by closing the session or using the command unset restic_password. Finally, exit your SSH session with the command exit. You have successfully verified your Restic backups on your Linux VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.